So Angela here decides that we're gonna go on this thing.
Yeah, it's gonna sound totally awesome!
And we're aiming straight at a 90-degree angle. We're about to be flung into the air. So
Welcome to
we're gonna be on
PK.
the go. My first vertical ride ever.
4, 3, 10.
They started like 8 or something. I don't know. Here we go.
Oh my god!
Whoa! That hurt.
Woo! Woo! Oh my gosh!
Wow.
Woo!
Hey.
Yeah! Oh my god!
You know, I thought it was out.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
Oh.
Oh my gosh! This is so totally awesome! That's so scary at the same time. Oh my gosh!
Okay.
I'm probably gonna make it again. That's again. Ah! My gosh!
Still
Woo!
rolling. Besides the screaming G-force, wind, and the fact that you don't know where you're going or where you're looking, it's a pretty nice view of the city.
It's gonna be so totally awesome on my YouTube channel or Facebook. Doesn't matter. Woo! And
You know what? I lost my Facebook after this ride. It was in my pocket, but it fell out. You know.
Woo! Snap! That was so totally awesome.
So, do we ride with Mars yet?